Hey, girl, wait. Wait, let me ask you real quick. Have you been scrolling through like a million wig options and still don't know which one to trust? Yeah, same. Well, today we're talking about the best 360 full lace wigs to buy right now, like the real deal ones. And trust me, this guide? It's for every girl who wants that flawless melt, scalp looking like butter, and hair that actually moves like it's growing from your head, okay? If you're new, hooray, girl? I'm Jennifer Angular, your go-to for all things beauty, wigs, and that glow-up life, and if you're already part of the fam, I love you, thank you for coming back. All right, deep breath. Let's get into it. Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code available. Link in description or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5. Sdamey. 360 straight lace front wigs human hair. Alright, so I wasn't even expecting to love this wig as much as I dope it girlison. So this is the Stylist-Approved 360 lace front wig, right? Straight, Brazilian human hair. And y'all, the lace melts. Like, no white cast, no bulky forehead situation, it legit just disappears into your skin. I was shocked. And it's 150% density, which means it's not too thin, not crazy thick either. It's like that natural, just got a silk press look, you know? Also, Uhispersits glueless. Yup. I didn't glue a thing. I used some spray, laid the edges, tied my scarf, and boom. Done. The cap fits snug but still breathable, which is important. 'Cause Chile, I be sweating. And it comes with the combs and adjustable strap, so like, even if your head is lil big, like mine lol, you'll be fine. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This wig is actually pretty beginner friendly. You can do a full install, or just throw her on with a little spray and call it a day. It comes in different lengths, so you can choose 16 inches, 18, 20, even up to 26 if you want to be dramaticant. I love that for you. For real though, if you want straight, natural-looking hair that's easy to manage and install, this one is so worth it. Trust me, you'll look like you paid salon prices. But nah, it's giving I did this myself in my room energy. Number 4, 28-inch. 360 lace front wigs human hair. It's 28 inches of straight Brazilian human hair, and when I say it's giving length, it's giving Rapunzel, period. The lace? Super soft. The density? It's full, but not heavy. You know how some wigs feel like a whole hat? This one don't. And girl, the 360 lace part is what makes it magic. You can do high ponytails, buns, slick backs, like, it's lace all the way around. No tracks showing, no drama. Alright, let's talk install. I was low-key nervous because sometimes long wigs can be a lot, but this one actually surprised me. It's got the elastic band and the adjustable drawstring thingy, so like, you don't need glue if you don't want it. I did a glueless insta-loosed a little bit of spray, tied it down with my scarf, and baby, the melt? Like, I had to double-check my own forehead. It's lightweight. Like, surprisingly light for 28 inches. I wore it for almost a whole day, no headaches, no itching. That's a win. So listen, if you're someone who wants long hair but doesn't want to glue their forehead off, needs a wig that's easy to install but still gives salon realness, or just wants to feel that I just walked into the room and shut it down energy, this wig is for you, sis. Especially for beginners who want to level up without doing too much, this one's perfect. Number 3, women ombre lace front wig, human hair. The hair was soft, like run your fingers through it soft. No crunchy ends, no plastic shine. And the lace? Thin and light. No thick, chalky mess over here. Alright, let's talk install because, girl, not everyone's a lace pro. I'm not about to lie and say I do bald cap methods every time. I really don't. This wig is glueless. It's got adjustable straps and combs inside, so if you're lazy like me sometimes or new to wigs, you can still throw it on and make it look cute. I used a little spray to lay down the lace, tied my scarf, and boomelted. And it looked natural. No harsh hairline. No, what is that on your forehead? Moments. So this ombre color? Let me just say it brings your face to life. Like, I didn't even do a full beat and it was giving effort, but effortless. The body wave held really nicely. I brushed it out a bit for a softer look, and it kept that full, flowy bounce. You can straighten it or curl it to its real human hair. It can take heat, okay? And girl, barely any shedding. No crazy tangles. I've had synthetic wigs that fought me harder than this one, lol. It's giving brunch with the girls. Soft glam, date night. Cute, but still chill. And for the price? On Amazon? Number 2, Hidden Street Wrap Water Wave. 360 Glueless Wigs. It's from this brand called eBarley, and it's a 360 lace, glueless, water wave wig butt. What made me click add to cart was that hidden strap system. No clips digging into my head, no glue pulling out my edges. Just strap, secure, go. And when I say it's beginner-friendly, girl, it practically installs itself. So when I first opened it, I literally went, oh, okay, this feels soft. Soft? Like, it's not that weird, shiny synthetic stuff. It's real human hair soft. Bouncy, no bad smell. The texture? Babby, these water waves are juicy. Like, it's giving beachy goddess. It's giving, I drink water and mind my business. And the hairline? Already plucked. The knots? Pre-bleached. Like, okay. So who's this wig for? If you're tired of glue ruining your skin, this is for you. If you want an easy vacation wig that stays on without drama, this is definitely for you. And if you just want to wake up, throw it on and feel pretty, girl, get it. Also, this wave pattern is everything. Wet it down, add some curl cream, and boom, it's giving wet look or natural texture, depending on your mood. Number 1, full 360 lace front wigs human hair. It's from this brand called Super Look, and yes, girl, it lives up to the name. What we're looking at here is full 360 lace, so you can style it up, down, ponytail, bun whatever, pre-plucked hairline, human hair knot, that stiff, synthetic stuff. And it's glueless optional too, which I love, like, it checks all the boxes already. When I first took it out the bag, I was like, ooh, okay, this feels nice. The lace? It's soft. The knots? Already bleached, so you don't gotta stress about that. And the hair? Girl, the hair. It's silky, thick, no weird smells, no shedding when I ran my fingers through it like I was impressed. And I'm picky about wigs. So, when I say this one surprised me, I mean that. All right, Lemmy, give y'all the real. 100% human hair, soft transparent lace, beginner, friendly install, true to length-like, it's long and thick, great price on Amazon. Only thing I'd say, if you're brand new to lace wigs, just take your time with the install. Don't rush it the first time, and maybe tint the lace if you're deeper skinned for that perfect melt. So yeah, if you've been on the fence about trying a 360 full lace wig, this is your sign. These wigs will change your game, I'm telling you. If you liked this guide or you have questions, drop a comment below. Or just say, hey, I love chatting with y'all. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that lil bell so you don't miss the next glow up. All right, boo, stay cute, stay confident, and remember, the right wig doesn't just change your hair, it changes your mood. See you in the next one. Bye.